This here's Clint. I'm half of Whiskey Drinkers. Jim Bob can't be here right now. See, he came down with a real bad case of walking pneumonia, and he didn't really understand what the doctor meant by walking pneumonia, so he's trying to walk off his pneumonia. I don't think he got it. But anyways, he's on a trek across the country. Anyway, whatever. So what we got here is, broke this up. This is the, what is this thing? The CenterPoint Crossbow. What model is this? The Sniper Elite 375 Whisper. You might have seen me put this together. I still really like this. Looks like it needs tightened up a little bit. You probably saw me get a buck last year with it. I really like this crossbow. Now, with that said, there's this. Not a lot of room here for everything. This here is the power draw. Now, what that is, in case you're not aware, is a hand crank to pull back the string. Why am I getting this, you might ask? Well, it's funny you should ask. My pa's getting older, arthritis in the hands getting to him a little bit. He's having a hard time pulling back the crossbow. So, we got one of these fancy cranks, we're going to put it on there and see if it helps him. So, let's see how this. So first of all, let's get rid of this here, because I just have a feeling that's going to get in the way. Alright, this power draw here is specifically for this this crossbow here. I've never done one of these. Don't know where to start, but we're going to figure it out together. Pictures here. They didn't give me any damn tools. Looks like I need an Allen wrench. They didn't give me one. So, we're going to have to head over to the garage and get us an Allen wrench that fits these, because I ain't got one. There's only 3 pieces, so it can't be that difficult. From what I gather, this part sits like this part goes on there like that. Not sure how it's going to work with the scope. I guess it might go over. Yeah, I guess it would go over top of it. No, we'll figure it out. Alright, first things first, gotta go get me some Allen wrenches. These two are different sizes. One already has a little bit of not anti-lock, so it's like a thread lock stuff, whatever they call it. But they're definitely 2 different sizes here. These 2 are the same. This one's a little bit fatter and it's got the thread lock on it. So let's go get us some tools. Alright, we're back. Got a multi one here, covers everything. Now the big blue one, that one there is a number up on that one. Oh, a little bent, a little hard on my tools. That one there is a can't see. That's a bunch of little ones there. That's a 9/64. And then the other one, not that one, that one there. The other one would be a 3/16. That's Allen head. But first thing here, I'm gonna tighten this thing down before I forget it, because I'm sure that's why it's loose, because I forgot it. No. So that's something to keep in mind. You should definitely check your nuts and bolts. Apologize, I am still a little sick. Alright, now let's see what goes on top and bottom. I'm sure this one goes on top because it's got the hole for it. But let's read the directions, because I don't want to mess it up. Alright. Alright, the top goes on the top. So, this goes here like that. Just like I said, the scope rings. Not too difficult to figure out. Not too difficult at all. Oh, this is good. I guess I go down through the top. Put that on there. Pretty simple. Pretty self-explanatory. Alright, that's just barely on there, just a little snug. Alright, Then this part here goes on here like that. Well, hell, that's a simple little contraption, isn't it? Where's the other bolt go? Oh, that one is for the arm. Might as well go ahead and tighten it down. This is pretty self-explanatory. Let me get in there. Alright. That sounds tight. Make sure that one's extra tight. That's good. Alright, well that's quite self-explanatory there. Just slides in there like that. You push that little button down to release. Push that little button down to release. It doesn't release very well. Oh. Maybe that's why? Because that's like that? That don't seem right too. Are we tangled up maybe? I think that's what it is. This is tangled up. Maybe one more will do it. Well, maybe one more won't do it. I guess it's like that. Oop. I think I went too far with it. Well, then that just rides on the strings like that. Huh. Well, that's pretty simple. That's quite simple, actually. I guess we'll do it right. I think it's ambidextrous. Yeah, it is. You can put the handle on either side. You can put it on the right side. Not entirely sure why, but we'll put it on the right side. Okay, now something to note here is there's a hole here and a hole here. So whenever you put this screw in, that little pin right there should go in one of those holes. Just so a little extra safety feature, I guess. So let's go ahead and screw that in there. That is pretty simple, pretty ingenious, I might add. I think that was this one here. That's it. Oh my goodness. That's almost too easy. Huh. Well, there you have it. So once you pull it back, it locks into place. Remember, always use that safety. You just unflip this, pull the unit off, and that's it. Huh, might as well pull it back when you do. I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of scary. It's definitely kind of scary. So, it didn't latch. Did I go back far enough? Must not have. I think it's back far enough. This feels like some way to get hurt. Okay, now let's. Alright, alright, I'm not gonna lie. That part there is a little scary. Then you just pull it off and you're ready to shoot yourself a Bambi. Pretty simple. Easy peasy cover girl right there, ladies and gentlemen. That was the power draw. And like I said, this is for the, I'm sweating like a pig. This is for the CenterPoint here. But I would imagine that thing's pretty much universal. Anything with a like an AR style stock, a retractable stock, it should work on, because that's nothing more than basically a scope mount. Pretty simple. I'm really impressed with it, and it's super easy to pull back. Alright, well, now I gotta go shoot it, because you never dry fire a crossbow. Till next time, this here's Clint. I'll see you later. Alright.